Hello everybody and welcome to another Thrinacia Webinar video. My name is Kyle and I'm a business developer here at Thrinacia, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to create a self-hosted crowdfunding campaign. So if you're looking to host your own campaign on your own website, this is the video for you. So the topics that we're going to be covering are reasons to use a self-hosted crowdfunding campaign, as well as how to use the Sedra widget, and I'm going to be doing a demo for that. So the reasons to use a self-hosted crowdfunding campaign is you're going to be able to label and brand it as your own. So you'll take the attention off those big crowdfunding platforms and it'll look like you've created the capabilities to host and run your own crowdfunding campaign on your own website, because it's going to be labeled as your own. You do not have to pay any percentage fee. A lot of the crowdfunding platforms out there take a percentage fee on each of the donations to the platform. You can skip those altogether and save yourself some money there. You'll be approved right away, and you don't have to worry about not being approved for your campaign. No risks there, so you can get straight into actually creating the campaign, launching it, and marketing it. You get to keep the customers and the backers on your own system. This is really great because you get to choose how the user experience is for the backers of the campaign. It's really great, and that's probably one of the biggest reasons why people are using their self-hosted crowdfunding campaigns. So tracking and exporting all the data, you can export it all into a .csv file so that if you want to run any crowdfunding campaign in the future, you'll have the data to do so. You'll also be able to add any type of custom workflow that you want. So if you want, like I was mentioning before, the user experience to be a little bit different, you'll have access to the front-end source code so that you can manipulate that and have the best user experience for your particular crowdfunding backer. The widget can also be used on any type of website. All you need is to copy and paste the widget code onto the website. So if you have your own website, that's great. You can use the widget code on there. If not, and you have a website that you think you could run the crowdfunding campaign on, all you have to do is provide the widget code and it'll be running on the website, no problem. So I'm going to go into an actual demo and what you need to get started for adding the crowdfunding campaign on your own website. I'm just going to switch my screen here. First off, what you need to do is purchase an Atlas subscription plan so you can add the labeling and you can change the features and get the front-end source code to customize that widget. So as you can see, you can start off with just the Discover plan here, and there's also a free trial, so you can test out to see if you like the features on here just to make the right decision. So once you've actually purchased the crowdfunding, the subscription plan, you'll have your own crowdfunding platform. Don't worry about this. You won't have to manipulate the crowdfunding platform, but it will come with the default template and the default Start Project button right here. So once you click on that, you'll start creating the actual campaign. And for this demo, I'm using a crowdfunding campaign that's already being filled out. As you can see, the check marks here on all 6 of these crowdfunding campaign steps have been filled out. It's very simple. All you have to do is add in the necessary information here, and if you have any questions about it, you can always ask the Thrinacia team. They'll further explain the information that you'll need to provide in these sections. So to use the widget, after you've added all of the information into the 6 steps here, you can go into the preview step. In this preview step here, you'll have the widget preview. You want to click on that widget preview tab. And once you click on the widget preview tab, you'll see this is the preview, and this is the UI that's going to show up on your page once you copy and paste the HTML code onto it. So it looks like any typical crowdfunding UI. Of course, you can fully manipulate that UI through the front-end source code as well as the administrator dashboard. All you have to do is copy and paste this widget code right here. I'm going to copy it and paste it onto a separate website. For this demonstration, I'm going to use CodePen. So it's the HTML section right here. I paste that HTML code into that HTML section. I wait a second for it to load, and it loads right up. And backers can now look and view the crowdfunding campaign on the web page, as well as contribute right on that web page. They don't have to be redirected anywhere. They'll be able to contribute right on that page. So if you guys have any questions, you can feel free to add your questions in the comments, or you can go on to the Thrinacia website, and in the top right-hand corner here, you can see that there's a live chat. It's just a Slack chat. All you have to do is sign into that, and you can ask us questions in real time. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. My name is Kyle, and I want to thank you guys for watching.